The evidence showed the existing compliance model wasn't just flawed, it had fundamentally failed. The need for change wasn't just suggested, it was screamingly obvious.
Okay, let's dive right into that data, because the numbers on protocol violations, I mean, they're really something, especially compared to Western rates.
Oh, absolutely. They're massive.
Yeah.
You have one provincial hospital, right, reporting 184 violations in just 1 year.
Wow.
And get this, 16% were classed as major violations.
Major? Like what exactly?
Well, things like deliberately, including subjects who didn't qualify or, giving the wrong drug doses, stuff that directly impacts patient safety and data integrity.
Okay, so that points to a serious breakdown, right? A culture problem.
Exactly. A real culture of noncompliance. And it gets worse in specialized fields.
Like the anti-tumor drug trials.
Yeah. One city-level hospital logged, wait for it, 2,768 protocol violations over 2 years in just those trials.
2,700. That's astronomical compared to what you typically see elsewhere.
Exponentially higher.
Yeah.
And it wasn't just minor slip-ups. We're talking about investigators doing things like, well, one case involved changing a severe adverse event cause of death.
Changing it? How?
Arbitrarily changed it from unknown cause to disease progression.
Yeah.
No evidence provided, no proper review. Just changed.
So the oversight just wasn't there to catch it or deter it?
Precisely. The external checks failed.
But technically there is a structure, isn't there? There's 4 levels of management, from national down to the institutional level, the IRC.
There is, on paper. You have the National Ethics Review Committee, NERC, provincial, city, then the institutional ERC, the IURC. But the reality was, the IURC was doing most of the work.
And the higher levels weren't supervising effectively.
Not really. There was a lack of strict oversight, a lack of compliance tracking from above. It was like asking the local precinct to police itself with no real external audits.
And even when they tried to fix it with the 2023 review measures, it didn't quite land.
It was a step, but implementation was patchy. No real uniformity. The specific pathways were unclear, and different committees interpreted the rules differently. Total inconsistency.
So you've got speed, rule-breaking, inconsistency. The old model was just doomed.
Completely unsustainable. You couldn't possibly police every single site externally like that.
Which brings us to this philosophical turn. Fixing this mess wasn't just about new rules, it was about a new mindset, drawing on Foucault's idea of the panopticon.